Hi, I'm Dr. George Springer. Today we're going to be getting into some of the successes that we've had here. We're going to kind of do a whole series of these, so this will be the first one we're going to be doing. And I've chosen the topic to be allergies. Many people out there are suffering this time of year, especially as we move into the oak season here in Florida. We have a lot of allergies, and people a lot of times are just really settling for trying to control their allergies through different kinds of antihistamines or over-the-counter medications that give them some relief, without really trying to get to the cause of why they're having the allergies to begin with. And unfortunately that's true relative to most medical treatment as well. They're geared towards trying to just really deal with the symptoms. And certainly we want relief when we have allergies. But the real key, and there's a gal named Carmen that was one of my patients, that's a good example of this. She'd had and suffered for years with allergies. And she came in and we do our workup to evaluate what's happening inside her body. And of course, many times allergies are spurred on by the overgrowth of yeast inside your own body. So subsequently what ends up happening is you end up reacting to the environmental yeast or molds, which are always part of pollens and many things that cause the allergies. And the real cause is more internal. So, and Carmen was no exception. When we brought her in, we did our evaluation, found indeed that she had a yeast overgrowth as far as her body was concerned, primarily in her gastrointestinal tract. And we were able to begin to working on that, and to her surprise, and not necessarily to mine, but to hers, she had 0 symptoms. And this is 3 years ago. She's been able to go through the allergy season with little or no response. Last year especially, she wrote and said that she was actually underneath her favorite oak tree in her front yard, and that she was really just enjoying the shade and able to be outside and enjoy the beauty of the tree, as opposed to suffering with a lot of nasal congestion. So just know that allergies, a lot of times there is relief, not just relief, but also an actual cure, if you will, in sight, relative to be able to help with the allergies and to arrest those. So this allergy season, when you start reaching for something that's dry up the nose, realize that there's something you can reach for that will make a difference in terms of how you feel with your allergies by reaching here at LifeWorks, and we'll be glad to take a look and see what we can do for you. Thanks for tuning in.